Hello student, again welcome you in our YouTube channel Gavest Classes. Myself Gajen Singh, and today we will do some NCERT questions. Chapter is Trigonometry, Introduction to Trigonometry, Class 10 Maths. So today we have a question, and this question based upon our previous video lecture, and we have been discussed some concept like trigonometry. We discussed trigonometric identities, and we discussed, we take a right triangle and how to find the angles or as well as sides with the help of trigonometric ratios. So let's take this is our question, and question is, in triangle ABC we have a ABC triangle, and at B angle is 90 degree, and sin A, we have a sin A, the value of sin A is 4/5, and we have to find the values of all other trigonometric ratios for angle A. So question is this: first of all, we have to construct a triangle roughly. So let's solve it. So let's draw a right triangle according to this question. So we have a right triangle. This is perpendicular, and this is base, and this is hypotenuse of this triangle. So this is a triangle, and in question says that at angle A, at angle B, angle is 90 degree. So this is the angle B, either ABC or ABC. So A, B and C, and you can write this way: A, B and C. So same thing, doesn't different. So A, B, C, or we can say A, B, C. So for angle A, we have to find the all trigonometric ratios except sine. So this is A, B, this is the 90 degree, and C is another acute angle, and we have angle B 90 degree. We show that this is the 90 degree at angle at B, and we have a sin A equal 4/5. Sin equal 4/5. So let's take a ratio proportionality. Let's take a ratio coefficient is to be K. So in sin A, this is perpendicular and 5 is hypotenuse. So this is the ratio. If we find out the sides with the help of this ratio, so we have to consider a ratio coefficient. Let's suppose a ratio coefficient is K. So perpendicular, and we can also write perpendicular is BC. So we have a BC is 4, and we have to consider ratio coefficient is k. So BC is 4k. Similarly, hypotenuse is AC, and AC is 5k. So ratio coefficient is very necessary to solve this type of question, ratio type question. So let's take a ratio coefficient k, and further sides 4k and AC is 5k. So BC is 4k. This is the 4k, and AC is 5k. So we know that sides BC and AC is 5k and 4k. And we have to find out the all trigonometric ratios for angle A. That is, we have to find out the cos A and tan A, sec A, cot A, and cosec A. So we have to find these trigonometric ratios for angle A. So first of all, cos A, according to cos A base upon hypotenuse, base AB upon AC. If we find out the value of tan A, so tan A perpendicular upon base, BC upon AB. We have to sec A, so AC upon AB. We have to find out the cot A. So we know that cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So AB upon BC, and we have to find the cosec A. So we have sin A. So cosec A means reciprocal of sin A. So 5/4. So we have to find these 4 trigonometric ratios. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not know value of AB. So we have to find the value of AB by the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, here we can calculate by the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras says that hypotenuse square equal square of sum of the square of another two sides. That is perpendicular, square of perpendicular, and perpendicular square of base. That is AB square and plus BC square. Again, according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of perpendicular and base. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So we have a value of AC we have a 5k square. AB we have to find out, so we can write AB square plus BC square is 4k square. So value of AB square equal 5k square minus 4k square whole square, 25k square minus 16k square, 9k square, and AB is root 9k square, that is 3k. Also answer is plus minus 3k, and we take a positive value 3k. So this is the 3k, and we know that all sides and put one by one and find out these trigonometric ratios. So first of all, we can find out the cosec value of cosec. AB upon AC. AB is 3k and AC is 5k, and k cancel out. Ratio is 3 upon 5. The value of cosec 3 upon 5. This is the answer. And we have to find the tan A. So tan A is BC upon AB. BC is perpendicular, that is 4k, or upon AB. AB is 3k. K cancel out. Answer is 4 upon 3. So this is value of tan A, and we have to find the second. So same way, AC secant reciprocal of cos A, we can write sec A equal 1 upon cos A. So value of cos A is we have a 3 upon 5. So 5 upon 3 is value of sec A. We have to find out cot A. Same, cot A reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is 4 upon 3. So value of cot A 3 upon 4. Answer. तो इस तरह से ये हमारा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे डन हो जाता है। तो इस तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं। इसमें आप क्वेश्चन इस राइट एंगल के बेस पे ये इस तरह क्वेश्चन रहते हैं। इसमें आपको साइड्स टू साइड्स गिवन होंगी और आपको राइट एंगल दे देंगे। उसके बाद फिर आपको एंगल मतलब न्यून कोण को लेके न्यून कोण से या एंगल ए से या फिर एंगल सी से जो भी न्यून कोण होंगे, दो न्यून कोण होते हैं, एक्यूट एंगल होते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग इस तरह से क्वेश्चन को आप डील कर सकते हो। सो क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी। सो लेट्स टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन। And this is the NCERT question. NCERT question. Question is in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Right angled at Q. PR plus QR equal 25 centimeter and PQ equal 5 centimeter, and determine the values of determine the value sin p cos p tan p, cos p and tan p. This is the question. This is NCERT question. So question says that in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, so let's draw a triangle PQR, and this is the triangle PQR. Right angle at Q, this is the Q. So we can PQR और we can PQR, किसी भी तरह से आप कर सकते हो PQR, साइक्लिक रहना चाहिए PQR. This is the 90 degree and we have PR plus QR. We have some clue PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. The sum of PQ PR, the sum of PR plus QR, this hypotenuse and plus perpendicular, and PQ is 5 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. PQ 5 centimeter. That is base. And we have to find the sin p cos p. For p, we have to find the sin cos tan. Sin p cos p and tan p. So according to this figure, sin p perpendicular upon hypotenuse means QR upon PR. This is the value of sin p according to this figure, and we have to find the cos p. So cos p base upon hypotenuse, PQ base upon hypotenuse PR, and we have to find the tan p. So tan p is according to this figure triangle, tan p is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is QR or upon base is PQ. So this is the, we know that only the side PQ. We did not know individually QR and PQ. We know that sum of these two sides. So let's suppose QR is X. Let's consider side QR is to be X. Suppose this is the X. So this is 25 minus X. Suppose this is X centimeter. So this is 25 minus X centimeter. Because we know that we have a sum of these two sides. If let's consider one side is X, so another side is sum minus this X. And we know that all three sides, and here we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of X. So let's write it. PQ equal X, sorry, QR is X centimeter and PR is 25 minus X centimeter, and we know PQ is already know 5 centimeter. And now we apply Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of X. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square means 25 minus X whole square, and perpendicular X square and plus 5 square. So this is the expression obtained by the Pythagoras theorem, and we can apply identity, algebraical identity, that is a minus b square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the algebraical identity, which is most important, and we can apply this. 25 square means 625 plus x square and minus 50x equal x square plus 25. So x square is x square, cancel out. This goes to right hand side. Minus 50x equal 25 minus 625 minus 50x equal 25 minus, that is 600 minus से minus cancel out, and x 600 upon 50, 0 cancel out, 5 and the 5 and 5 to the 10. So value of x is 12 centimeter by the Pythagoras theorem. So x is 12 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. After solving Pythagoras theorem, this is 12 centimeter and this is 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So here we can easily put these QR and PR, PQ, PR, और ये QR is 12 centimeter, 12 upon PR is 13 centimeter. So 12 upon 13, the value of sine B is 12 upon 13. This is the answer. First, we have to find the cos P. So cos P is PQ upon PR. PQ 5 centimeter upon PR 13. We can write centimeter, and this is also cancel out. So इसको लिखना मैंडेटरी नहीं, ये कैंसिल आउट आएंगे. 5 upon 13, इसमें 10p का QR upon PQ, QR 12 and PQ is 5. So this is the answer finally. So in this way we can solve this type of question. So आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में जो हमारे प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर था उसके बेसिस पे ये सारे क्वेश्चन थे. तो अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में हम एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आते हैं और एक नया आगे जो टॉपिक है उनको सॉल्व करेंगे, उनको डील करेंगे. सो तब तक के लिए बने रहिए, और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा इसको लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.